East Indian sweet and spicy mango pickle. If you love Indian food, mangoes will become an indispensable part of your diet. Other than being a dessert, mangoes find prominent use in curries and pickles. One popular version, the traditional East Indian mango pickle, is sweet and mouth-watering. Easily and quickly cooked, it can be stored for months. Here's how we make it. Ingredients for the East Indian mango pickle: raw green mangoes, ginger and garlic, turmeric powder and red chili powder, vinegar and sugar. How to make the mango pickle. Dice the green mangoes into half-inch or cm long pieces. Cut the garlic and ginger fine. In a vessel, add sugar and vinegar, and bring to a boil. This usually takes us about 5 to 7 minutes. Add the turmeric, chili powder, garlic and ginger and allow to simmer for 3 minutes. Lastly, add the diced mango and cook for another 15 minutes till done. Store in a Burnie or mason jars. For the full recipe, visit this link. Thanks for following Abby's Plate. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.